morning, Sterlington, and welcome to SMS News.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the SMS News.
Welcome to SMS News.
Welcome
to SMS News.
Welcome to SMS News. SMS News.
SMS News.
SMS News.
Welcome to SMS News.
SMS News.
Welcome
to SMS News.
And I've heard rumors that this is their game to play tonight, so it's going to be a tough one, and I hope our guys are ready for it.
Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing, didn't have a dime but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, didn't know how but I always had a feeling I was gonna be Mama said, something for oddities, stranger cruises. Ain't ever wannabes, waiting the novelties that don't ever change. We wanted everything, wanted everything. Stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes.
Good morning, Sterlington, and welcome to SMS News. I'm your host, Ollie.
And I'm your host, Brody.
As a part of our countdown to Christmas, we will wear green and red on Wednesday. Also, there will be no school Friday. Last week, soccer took on Westridge and Good Hope.
This week, soccer will play tonight, Tuesday and Thursday. Ollie, I'm tired of just thinking about all this running.
You're telling me. That soccer coach is crazy.
Beta held officer elections last week. Congratulations to everyone who was elected. The annual Elf Bowl is this week. 6th grade plays today on the 6th, 7th grade plays tomorrow on the 7th, with 8th grade playing Thursday the 9th.
Wait, why not 8th on the 8th?
I don't know. I think it's Coach Simmons' fault.
Congratulations to our Students of the Month.
1, 2, 3.
Sparkle took a field trip last week. Let's see what they got up to.
Turn it up, please.
This ain't for everybody. Toes hanging off a ledge, like we got nothing to lose. Ain't always heaven, baby. This living on the edge. You holding me, holding you. Makes a hell of a view. Hell of a view. We ain't for everybody, toes hanging off a ledge, like we got nothing to lose. Ain't always heaven, baby, this living on the edge.
Next Wednesday, Sparkle will be cooking after school.
Speaking of cooking, up next, after a long time off, is Cooking with Cooey. Over to you, Cole.
Welcome to Cooking with Cooey. I'm your host, Cooey.
And I'm your judge, Andy. Today, Miss Finsky picked our 2 contestants.
Let's go see who she picked. Alright, before we begin, here's what you were judged on. 1, flavor, and 2, presentation.
So, Cooey, what will our contestants be cooking up for us today?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Andy. Today, you guys will be making microwavable mac and cheese.
Let's get cooking!
Oh, what do you rate my food? I'd give it was honestly really good. I'd give it an 8.5.
Girl, you know you lying.
That
was not very good. But, I don't know, it could just be my taste buds.
Everyone else liked it.
No.
Mm.
Coach Focal said it needs more seasoning, which I think he's just greedy. Anyways, I give it a 6.
What do you rate my food? Since you did almost burn down the kitchen and made the whole school smell like burnt popcorn, probably like a 6.
This is how we get canceled. Anyway, you did almost burn down everything, but it was pretty good, so I'll give you a 7.5. I think that's okay. Good enough for you.
And the winner is
Landry! Yay!
Alright, we're done.
Well, there you have it.
Today's winner was Landry Taylor. That's
all the mess we have for you today, Panthers.
Last week was the judging for the door contest. Let's follow the judges as they try to decide on a winner.
Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. While the merry bells keep ringing. Happy holiday to you. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. It's the holiday season, and Santa Claus is coming.
Congratulations to our SHS football on their win over Church Point.
Good luck this weekend in the state championship.
We have a special tiebreaker episode of Paul Olympics this week. Here are SMS faculty members playing bubble soccer. I'm your host, Ollie.
And I'm your host, Stella.
Welcome to the Paul Olympics. This week, our coaches will compete against each other.
They will test their skills and teamwork.
and try and break the tie from last week.
Let's go to our judge, Coach Powell.
Hey guys, Coach Powell here. Today we're going to play a game with the coaches of football, softball, basketball, and cheer in a friendly game of bubble soccer. Let's head to the field. Congratulations to our winners, football and softball. Back to you, Ollie and Stella.
Congratulations to our winners, Coach Magoo and Coach Brantley.
This means that football won the fight for first, and third place goes to baseball and softball.
I'm Stella.
And I'm Ollie.
Signing off.
Next up, we have Jack Waters on Sterlington Swipes.
Finally, someone who really looks up to women.
What's on the menu? Me and you?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm learning about important dates in history. Want to be one? Yeah. You work at Dick's?
Well, that's all for today.
Have a great day, Panthers.
Congratulations, Panthers.
7th grade plays tomorrow on the 7th, with 8th grade playing on the 9th. Thursday. Oh.
It's not a good day.
We can see it. Don't fix it. It's not broken. Thank you.
Thank you.
If it ain't broke,
Sounds.
sounds.
Whisper. 3, 2, 1. Whee!